Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Jabwel. So guys, today I'm going to teach you how to release space that is sometimes very difficult to release. I'm going to show you more than a lot of methods so that you can be able to release space from your phone. So now sometimes you can see that your phone is very slow, and when you go to, I'm giving an example with my own phone. When you go to your storage, you can see here I have 59 GB which I have used out of 64. But then when I come to my storage, you will realize that I almost have nothing. You see, if you come here, then you check for, and I find you will realize that images I only have 232 MB, videos I have only 10 GB, audio 181, documents 21, compressed files 4 GB, system 12.6, and then other 39 GB. Then you ask yourself, where is other? 39 GB. You can't delete it, you can't do anything. It's there, it's disturbing your space, there's nothing you can do. So how do you delete that? So today I'm going to show you how to do that. Number one, after you have deleted, okay, let me show you from here. If you delete any file from here, for example, let me delete these images. Delete. I have deleted it. Okay, the images are no longer there, but in actual sense the images are still there and it is still occupying space on your phone. So how do you remove it completely? Good, you look for trash or recycle bin. This is my recycle bin. Come and empty the space. That is one way. That is if you deleted it from gallery. Then if you deleted them from my files, maybe you go, I don't have a memory card. Let me give you an example with for example, okay, there's nothing important here. For example, I'm deleting here. I'm deleting file called Jabwel. So I've deleted it, but that file is still in my phone. So how can I delete it completely? You click there, look for recycle bin also. You see it's there, you have to empty it. That is if you want to remove all. If you want to remove only this one, you click it, then you and there we are, that's gone. But now I have deleted everything, but if you analyze space, there is still these others. There is still these others. This other is still there. How do you delete this? This is the biggest and the most important part of this video for now. So all you have to do is to go to settings, come to apps, and then for me personally, normally when you can see my CapCut is having 6.1 GB, because sometimes I be exporting files. I use CapCut for video editing. So when I'm exporting files, it can finish exporting, but then you can't click the video because you exported it when the space was very small, and for it had nowhere to save. So it exports whatever it can export. Then whatever, when the space is not enough, it saves it here. So all you have to do is click that. You come to storage here, then you come to to clear cache here, then clear data as well. When you do that, you are going to clear everything. That is, especially you have to clear data, most importantly. Before you do that, make sure you don't have any important project on the CapCut. I mean the part of the CapCut itself. So you can see now that I have 0, cache I have 0. I only have 243 MB. Sasola. Can see here. So when you come to this particular part now, again, I normally use a lot of you will see here, like here, Facebook is best. You look for the one which has a lot of data. I know YouTube has, because I use YouTube a lot. So YouTube is having 1.11 GB. So the same thing, go to storage. Clearing data again. Data is 845 MB, but this is not too much. I can leave it because I have important things on my YouTube. Let me check for other stuffs. Yeah, then WhatsApp here. This is like 3 GB. I'm not going to clear it now. So let us go to and we see whether this has changed. Analyze storage. So it's now 31. It has changed. So all we have to do is to reduce these others to 0. You just have to go to app, like I already showed you here, and check the one with which has very high storage. So you can see 221, 401, all these, they all, when they add up, that is what is others, and they consume space. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this video helpful to you, kindly comment it in the comment section and share the video. Thank you.